Hello everyone. So today we are back with another e-commerce case study, and this time we will let you know how we have got almost 35,000 euros plus in terms of revenue with the ROAS of 16 for a website specializing in socks. As an online retailer specializing in socks faced significant challenges with their existing Google AdWords campaign. Despite an initial investment, the campaign was underperforming, leading to low conversions and the minimal revenue. The client sought our expertise to uncover the root causes and revitalize their advertising strategies. So now in terms of the challenges, inefficient campaign setup. The initial campaign structure lacked organization with poorly defined ad groups and the keywords. In terms of the impact, this disorganization led to the ineffective budget allocation and reduced ad relevance. Disapproved merchant center. The client's product feed faced disapproval in the merchant center, inability to showcase products on Google Shopping, limiting the visibility and potential conversions. Poor PMAX campaign planning. The use of PMAX campaign without a well-defined strategy. The budget was inefficiently spent across various networks without clear targeting, resulting in suboptimal performance. Next is lack of strategic planning. The absence of a cohesive plan and strategic approach in campaign management that has impacted for the poor overall performance with the minimal returns on the advertising spend. Strategic approach to remediation. We have conducted the audit, conducted a detailed review of the existing campaign, the ad group and the keywords, identified and rectified the issues related to poor organization and effective budget allocation. Next is the merchant center remediation. Addressed and resolved the disapproved issues in the merchant center, ensure a well optimized product led to enable success Google Shopping campaigns. So now in terms of the campaign restructuring, we have revamped the campaign structure, creating all defined ad groups and optimizing the keyword targeting, implemented a strategic approach to PMAX campaign aligning with the client's goal. Search network optimization, adjusted the settings to maximize the budget allocation on the Google search network, targeted relevant keywords to capture potential customers actively searching for socks. The next is the strategic planning, developed a cohesive plan aligning campaign goals with the client's overall business objective, implemented the ongoing monitoring and the optimization strategies to ensure sustained success. So now in terms of the results of the remediation, first thing is the improved ROAS. We have achieved a significant improvement in ROAS from 1.36 to almost 16 plus for a month. The next is the increased conversion. We have seen the enhanced the number of conversions surpassing the initial count of 11. Efficient budget allocation. Strategically allocated the budget, maximizing the exposure on high performing networks. Next is the revenue growth. Drastically improved the revenue generation exceeding the client's expectation. So now in terms of the key takeaways, campaign organization. A well organized campaign structure is fundamental to effective budget allocation and the ad relevance. Next is the merchant center compliance is crucial. Resolving the disapproval issues and optimizing product feeds is imperative to the success of the Google Shopping campaigns. Next is the strategic planning yields results. A cohesive plan aligned with the business objective ensures sustained success and maximizes the return on investment. Next is the ongoing monitoring essential. Regular monitoring and optimization are essential for adapting to market changes and maintaining campaign success. In diagnosing and remedifying the campaign's initial challenges, the client experienced a remarkable turnaround, highlighting the importance of addressing fundamental issues in campaign setup and strategy. The transition from failing campaign to a highly successful one do underscores the significance of strategic planning and the ongoing optimization in the realm of Google AdWords. So if you have any ads running in the similar niche, you can still contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us through WhatsApp. We should be able to look at your PPC campaigns and then we'll be able to give you the audit. The audit will be free of cost, and then for the audit we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any ads running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us with your basic information like your website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do some research and then we'll be able to give you the plan of action on what exactly you can do to bring some more business online. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.